Hi dear students, welcome back to Abhijit Sana Maths. Do like, share and subscribe Abhijit Sana Maths to get more videos. In this video, we are discussing the chapter Trigonometry, the 6.1 of Trigonometry. Now the first problem of 6.1, that is, if sin theta is equals to 7 by 25, find the values of cos theta and tan theta. Then we have to find out the solution of this. Now write down your solution here. The given value, that is sin theta is equals to 7 by 25. Therefore write down sin theta is equals to 7 by 25 as it is. Now we have to find out the value of cos theta and then tan theta. We know the relation between sin theta and cos theta, that is cos square, sin square of theta plus cos square of theta is equals to 1. We know this relation. Now by putting the value of sin theta, that is 7 by 25 in this formula, that is the value of sin theta is 7 by 25, therefore put 7 by 25 and instead of square, the square as it is, plus cos square of theta as it is equals to 1. Now on squaring, the square of 7, that is 49, and the square of 25, that is 625, plus cos square of theta is equals to 1. Now we have to find cos square of theta as it is equals to 1. Now this 49 by 625 we have to shift to right hand side, that will be minus of 49 divided by 625. Now this will be 1 into 625, that is 625 minus 49 as it is divided by this 625. Now this 625 minus 49, that will be 576 divided by this 625 as it is. Now we get the value of cos square of theta, that is cos square of theta is equals to, now this 576 divided by this 625. Now this cos square of theta is equals to 576 is nothing but the square of 24, therefore square of 24, and the 625 is nothing but the square of 25 by square of. This is nothing but the square of 25. Now this cos square of theta will be equals to 24 divided by this 25 whole square. Now the cancellation of square with the square, we get the value of cos theta is equals to 24 divided by this 25. Now we get the value of cos theta, then we can easily find out the value of this tan theta. We get the value of cos theta, that is 24 by 25, and we know the value of sin theta, that is 7 by 25. We know the formula of tan theta in the form of sin theta and cos theta. The relation of tan theta, that is tan theta equals to sin theta divided by cos theta. Now this tan theta will be equals to the value of this sin theta is 7 by 25 divided by the value of cos theta, that is cos theta equals to 24 by 25, that is 24 divided by 25. Now denominator is same, 20 by 25 get cancelled, we get the value of, that is 7 by 24. We get the value of tan theta, that is tan theta equals to 7 by 24, and we get the value of cos theta, that is 24 by 25. In this way we have found the value of cos theta and tan theta when the value of sin theta, that is 7 by 25, is given. Do like, share and subscribe Abhijit Sana Maths. Coming to question number 2 of 6.1, that is if tan theta is equals to 3 by 4, find the values of sec theta and cos theta. Now here the provided value, that is 3 by 4, is the value of tan theta. Now the given value of tan theta, then we have to find the value of sec theta and cos theta. Now in the solution part, write down here the solution. Now the given value, that is tan of theta is equals to this 3 by 4, which is given, write down here, given in the bracket, the given value of tan theta. We know the relation between tan theta and sec theta, that is 1 plus tan square of theta is equals to sec square of theta. Now by putting the value of tan theta instead of this, that is the value of 3 by 4, instead of tan theta, we can easily find out the value of sec theta, that is 1 plus the value of tan theta is nothing but 3 by 4. Put 3 by 4 instead of this tan theta, the square as it is equals to sec square of theta. Now on solving this, 1 as it is plus as it is the square of 3, that is 9, divided by the square of 4, that is 16, is equals to sec square of theta. Now 1 into 16, that is 16 plus 9 divided by 16 is equals to sec square of theta. Now 16 plus 9, that is 25 divided by 16 is equals to sec square of theta. We get the value of sec square theta is equals to 25 by 16. Therefore, put here sec square of theta is equals to 25 by 16. Now this sec square of theta is equals to, now this 25 is nothing but the square of 5. Therefore, square of 5 and 16 is square of 4, that is square of 4. Now this will be equals to sec square of theta is equals to 5 by 4 as it is. Now this sec square of theta is equals to 5 by 4 whole square. Now this square and square will cancel and we get the value of sec theta is equals to 5 by 4. In this way we have found the value of sec theta. Now we have to find the value of cos theta. Now we know the relation between sec theta and cos theta. Now this cos theta can be calculated as cos theta is equals to 1 by sec theta. These both cos and sec are inverse identities. Now by putting the value, that will be cos theta is equals to 1 as it is. The value of this sec theta is nothing but we get here 5 by 4, therefore 5 by 4 here. For on solving this will be inverse of this 5 by 4, that will be 4 by 5. We get the value of cos theta. Cos theta is equals to 4 by 5. In this way we have found the value of this sec theta and cos theta. Do like, share and subscribe Abhijit Sana Math. Now coming to question number 3, that is if cot theta is equals to 40 by 9, find the values of cosec theta and sin theta. Now here the provided value of cot theta is, that is cot theta equals to 40 by 9, that is cot of theta is equals to 40 by 9, which is given here. Write down here given value is cot of theta. Now we have to find out the value of this cosec theta and sin theta. Now we know the relation between this cot theta and cosec theta, that is 1 plus cot square of theta is equals to cosec square of theta. Now this is the formula of relation between this cot theta and cosec theta. Now by putting the values of this cot theta instead of this, now this 1 plus as it is, now the value of cot theta, that is 40 by 9. Now the square of this, that is square, is equals to cosec square of theta is equals to cosec square of theta. Now here on solving this 1 as it is plus the square of 40, that is 1600 divided by the square of 9, that is 81 is equals to cosec square of theta. Now this 1 into 81, that is 81 plus this 1600 divided by this 81 is equals to this cosec square of theta. Now this 1 plus 1600, that is 1681 divided by this 81 is equals to this cosec square of theta. Now we get the value of this cosec square of theta, that is cosec square of theta is equals to this 1681 divided by this 81. Now this cosec square of theta is equals to, now 1681 is nothing but the square of 41 and this 81 is nothing but the square of 9. Therefore on the square of this 41, that is 1681, and the square of this 9 is here 81. Now here square and square get cancelled here, and this cosec of theta we get here 41 divided by 9. We get the value of cosec of theta, that is 41 by 9. Now we have to find out the value of this sin theta. We know the relation in between this cosec theta and sin theta, that is sin theta equals to 1 by cosec of theta. Now here 1 as it is, we know the value of this cosec theta, which is 41 by 9. Therefore put 41 by 9 here instead of this cosec theta. We get inverse of this, that is 9 by 41. We get the value of this sin theta is equals to 9 by 41. Here we get sin theta is equals to 9 by 41. In this way we found the value of this cosec theta, that is here 41 by 9, and the value of sin theta, that is 9 by 41. Now coming to question number 4, that is if 5 sec theta minus 12 cosec theta is equals to 0, find the values of sec theta, cos theta and sin theta. Now here an equation given, that is 5 sec theta minus 12 cosec of theta is equals to 0. Now this will be equals to that 5 as it is sec theta. The value of sec theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta minus this 12 as it is, the value of this cosec theta is equals to 1 by this sine of theta is equals to 0. Now this will be 5 divided by this cos theta minus 12 divided by this sine theta is equals to 0. Now this will be equals to 5 divided by this cos theta as it is equals to this 12 by sine theta will be shifted to this right hand side and will becomes plus of 12 sine divided by sine theta. Now here, now this sine theta will be shifted to left hand side and will becomes sine theta. Now this divided by cos theta as it is equals to this 12 as it is. Now this 5 will shifted to right hand side and will become the denominator of this will become this 12 by 5. Now we know the relation that is sine theta by cos theta is equals to tan of theta, that is tan theta is equals to this 12 by 5. We get the value of this tan theta, that is 12 by 5. Now we have to find out the value of this sec theta, cos theta and sin theta. Now if we know the value of this tan theta, we can easily find out the value of this sec theta, that is we know the relation that is 1 plus tan square of theta is equals to this sec square of theta, that is equals to 1 plus this tan theta is nothing but here 12 by 5, that is 12 by 5 now whole square is equals to this sec square of theta. Now this 1 as it is plus square of 12, that is 144 divided by square of 5, that is 25 is equals to this sec square of theta. Now 1 this 25 into 1, that is 25 plus 144 divided by this 25 is equals to this sec square of theta. Now 25 plus 144, that is 169 divided by 25 is equals to this sec square of theta. Now this sec square of theta will be equals to 169 divided by 25. Now that is sec square of theta will equals to, that is nothing but the square of 13. 169 is the square of 13 and 25 is the square of 5, therefore square of this. Now square get cancelled, we get the value of this sec theta is equals to 13 by 5. Here we get the value of sec theta, that is sec of theta is equals to this 13 by 5. Now here we get the value of sec theta, that is 13 by 5. Now we have to find out the value of this cos theta. We know the value of cos theta is equals to 1 by sec theta. Now this cos and sec are inverse identities. Now this will be equals to 1 by sec theta is nothing but this 13 by 5. Here 13 by 5 will get 5 by 13. We get here the value of cos theta is equals to 5 by 13. Now we get the value of cos theta, that is cos of theta is equals to 5 by 13. Now we can easily find out the value of this sin theta. If we know the value of this cos theta, that is 5 by 13, then we can easily find out the value of sin theta. We know the relation, that is sin square of theta plus cos square of theta is equals to 1. Now here sin square of theta as it is plus the value of cos theta is nothing but 5 by 13, that is 5 by 13. Now square of this, that will be square of this is equals to 1. Now on solving this, sin square of theta as it is plus the square of 5, that is 25 divided by this 13, square of 13, that is 169 is equals to 1. On solving this, sin square of theta is equals to as it is now 1 as it is. Now this plus 25 by 169 will shift it to right hand side and will become minus of this 25 divided by 169. Now this will be equals to sin square of theta is equals to 1 into 69, that is 169 minus 25 divided by this 169 is equals to this is 144 divided by 169, which we get the value of sin square of theta. Now this sin square of theta is equals to this 144 is the square of 12 and 169 is the square of this 13. Now here we get the square of 12 by 13 here, that is sin square of theta is equals to 12 by 13 whole square. Now this square and square get cancelled, we get the value of sin theta is equals to 12 by 13. Subscribe Abhijit Sir. Now coming to next question, that is question number 5, that is if tan theta is equals to 1, then find the values of sin theta plus cos theta divided by this sec theta plus cosec theta. Now here the provided value, that is tan theta is equals to 1, that is tan theta is equals to 1, which is here given. You know the value, that is tan of 45 is equals to 1. The value of tan 45 is equals to 1, therefore the value of this theta is equals to 45. Therefore this theta is equals to 45. We get the value of this theta, which is 45. Now if we have to find out the value of this sin theta plus cos theta divided by this sec theta plus cosec theta, then we have to individually find out the values of this sin theta first, cos theta, sec theta and cosec theta, and then by putting the values here we can easily calculate the value of this. Now here the sine of theta is equals to sine of, we know the value of theta is 45, therefore sine 45 is nothing but here 1 by root 2. The value of sine 45 is 1 by root. Similarly the value of cos theta that is cos of theta is equals to cos of 45 is equals to 1 by root 2. Now here this is the value of cos of theta, that is 1 by root 2. Now here we have to find out the value of sec of theta, that is sec theta is equals to sec of 45 is equals to root 2. The sec 45, the value of sec 45, we know the value of sec 45, that is root of 2. Similarly the value of cosec of theta is equals to this cosec of 45. Now the value of theta is 45, therefore we are putting the value 45 instead of this theta. Now that is also equals to root of 2. Now we have found the of sin theta, cos theta, sec theta and cosec theta, that is here. Now we have to find out the value of this. Now here write down here, that is sin theta plus cos theta divided by this sec theta plus this cosec of theta is equals to sin theta. Sin theta is equals to 1 by root 2 plus cos theta is equals to here also 1 by root 2. Now divided by sec theta is equals to here root 2 plus cosec theta is equals to here also root 2. Now this will be equals to equal by root 2 is equals to 2 times 1 by root 2 divided by this root 2 plus root 2, that is 2 times of root 2. Now this will be equals to 2 into 1, that is 2 divided by this root 2 divided by 2 root 2. That will be equals to this 2 by root 2 into this 2 by root 2. Now this will be equals to this 2 as it is. Now this root 2 into root 2, that is 2 into this 2, that is equals to 2 by 4. 1 times and 2 times, that is equals to 1 by 2. Now that is we get the value of this sin theta plus cos theta is equals divided by sec theta plus cosec theta is equals to 1 by 2. Do like, share and subscribe Abhijit Sana Maths to get more videos.